Hi everyone, here is the most awaited lipstick video. Butters are moisturizing to the lips, so I'll be adding some Shea Butter and Kokum Butter here. I have tried different ratios and this is what worked for me. Castor oil is must in lip products because of its moisturizing and nice feel. It can be used maximum. I am using pigments from Purenzo. These are blended in castor oil. You need to give it a shake before using. I am using lilac pink and maroon shades. I have prepared 3 pigment bases. For the waxy base, I will add jojoba oil. This is also moisturizing and a light oil. Now the coconut oil. You could experiment with different oils too that are light and moisturizing to the lips. Now magnesium stearate, it gives a nice feel on the lips. This is not mandatory but it gives a nicer feel. It increases the binding properties as well. I have used 2 waxes, Carnauba wax and Candelilla wax. I could not shoot that part of Candelilla wax here, but I'll put the ratios in the description box. Please check. With a single wax, it is difficult to have both the properties of being hard and smooth glide. This is an organic lipstick with all organic ingredients except the Flavour oil and lip pigment. Magnesium stearate is also considered natural to some extent. Now the most interesting part is blending the colors. You can blend it as you wish, but please make sure you note down how much of each color you are taking, otherwise you could not reproduce the same color. This is so therapeutic, you know, it feels so nice blending colors and creating the color that you need. This is titanium dioxide. For the white color, it lightens the shade a bit. You can make this for your friends, clients and anyone. It's so nice to see and nice to make. Proportions are not mandatory, only the amount of pigment base that you will be adding to the wax base is important. Otherwise the lipstick either will be hard or it will be too it will be too soft. If you want similar pigments, you can get it from Purenzo. You could otherwise mix pigments in oil and use this way, or you can just add them to the butter base and use it this way. These are pre-blended colors in castor oil and not concentrated colors, so you would need more of this color. Now we'll measure the pigment base. I have made only small batches of these lipsticks so that I can make different shades and I can do different trials. You need to heat the wax blend before adding it to the base, otherwise it will not be proportionate. Since it is heated just now, you could see it is in liquid, otherwise it is solid. Now measure out the wax base. If you try this, do let me know your feedback. I'll be happy to listen from you. If you have any questions, please put it in the comment section. I try to answer all the questions that I receive in YouTube and Instagram. You can add fragrance oil, it is optional. Now I'll be pouring it into a mold. This mold is given by one of my dearest friend. Pop it in fridge for some time to harden. It has a smooth texture and is pigmented, but as with organic lipsticks, it is not long lasting. I'm working on how to make it long lasting, so soon you will see another video. If you like, please hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.